Good morning, day 30, Camino de Santiago. So something wonderful happened last night. We got our 200th subscriber. I want to thank everyone who has subscribed. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button below. Also hit the bell. It gives you notifications every time we put out a new episode.
So this morning we are starting out from O Sobrero. We are going to try to make it to Triacastela today, or maybe a little bit further if we're feeling up to it. We're both still sick, but feeling better today than we have in previous days. If I could get rid of this hacking cough, I'd be pretty good.
All right, guys, so hopefully we can make up some distance today. The past few days have not been very productive. No rain in the forecast, so no rain gear. Fingers crossed. It is super foggy on the mountain this morning, but let's get going.